Okay, my dear. Yes, numerical or number adjectives are three type. One is disclosed about exact number, that is cardinals. One is disclosed about serial number, that is ordinal. One is disclosed about double or triple or quadruple or pentaple. It is multiple times, so that it is called multiplicative adjective. So totally three kinds of adjectives are there in numerical adjectives. We are learning three, and three is again divided into three. What is that? Quantity of adjective, quality of adjective, numerical adjective. Shall we go for another one? Yes, we can see that. Yeah. Proper adjectives are formed, proper nouns which begin with a capital letter. Proper adjective, what is that? The British citizen. If you can think of the British citizen, the British citizen. Yeah, you can see here the British citizen is called proper. Proper. The English language, already language is there, already citizen is there, but the citizen belongs to British. The Indian citizen, also we can say, sir, instead of patriotic things, when we are showing that civilian among the persons in the country, we should not use the or definite or indefinite article. It's not a matter, but whole we are disclosing about whole nation, so that we can use it. It's not a problem. The British citizen, the English language, so that is proper adjectives. It must be started with capital letter, or it must be started with B, E, capital letter. It must be started with capital letter. And one more, demonstrative adjective. An adjective that points out which a person or thing is demonstrative adjective. These are demonstrative adjectives are everywhere, two kinds. These are definite or indefinite. If we can see that definite and indefinite, we can see adjectives are, this is my pen. This is my pen. We can say that this is my pen. What is this? We can say that which is very near to me. Sir, here before you said to me this is, instead of the pen name we am using this in the sentence, that is pronoun, but here I am using demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative, does it mean it will be shown and it is used in front of a verb? So this is my pen. This is, it belongs to me, I can say. So this is demonstrative adjective. So like we can see that the, this, these, that, those, such, the same, the others are also, and different kinds are there. We can see that. Yes. And indefinite demonstrative also there, that is, those books are mine, and not particularly mentioned. This is, I can say, yes, this is my pen. Does it mean it belongs to me? The owner of the pen is me, so that I can say that demonstrative adjective. But here is very far away from me. This is very far away from me. I can say that that pen is mine. Also, I am disclosing that this is also demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. But a pen is mine. The owner of the pen, I don't know. Here is a pen. A pen. A pen is on. A pen is on the table. If we can think, a pen is on the table. We don't know actually this pen belongs to who's the owner of. So that a pen is a such, whose pen we don't know. So that we can use indefinite adjective. Indefinite demonstrative adjectives. Indefinite demonstrate. Okay, my dears. If we can see that, how it will be. Okay, definite and indefinite. This is my pen. Okay, those books are mine. Okay, my dears. Then let's go to another point. Some present participle and past participle forms of verbs also function as an adjective. Yeah, here before also we have learned that gerund as also active as verb. Here verbs as adjective also. If you can see that. It is an interesting story. Already very easy here. Already story is there. But what kind of story it is? It is an interesting story. There are searching for the sunken ship. Already ship is there. The boss is pleased with the work. Already work. If you can see that. Yes, already story is there, but what kind of story it is? Interested story. There are searching for the sunken ship. Already ship is there, but what is the state of that ship? Sunken ship. We can say that Titanic is a sunken ship. The boss is pleased with work. Then what is the work status? Pleased. He was very happy. He was very happy. So some present participle or parts possible are acts as a adjective, acts as an adjective, acts as adjectives. Okay, my dear. So this is the one. And interrogative adjective, we can also see that interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, we can see that. Use it to ask questions with a noun. With the noun, we can see that. For example, if we can see that what, which, whose, double H verbs. All double H words are used with an interrogative adjective. For example, if we can see that which will be followed by a noun, what will be followed by a noun, which will be followed by a noun, and whose will be followed by a noun. So if the interrogative word or the word will be followed by a noun is called double H word will be followed by a noun is called interrogative adjectives. If you can see that book is a noun, song is a noun, pen is a noun, books is a noun. Again, these are followed with which, what, which, what. Which book will you buy? What song did you write? Okay, my dears. So, then, can you disclose whose books is this? Whose book is this? Whose pen is this? I am asking. Whose pen is this? Whose shirt is this? Whose hanky is this? Yes? Whose curtain is this? Does it mean, do you understand there? So, whose is a word which belongs to double H words. Double H words belongs to its group and followed by a noun is called interrogative adjectives. Okay, my dear. So that. Next, exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives. Story is already there. Wow, what an amusing story you have told me. What a story. Really, I was stomach full of break. Have you done this joke of this story? I'm completely out. I'm roar of laughter. I did because of this joke. What a story. Wow, what a story. Yes? Yeah. We can see that. Tamanna is walking on the road. We can see that. Ah, what a beauty. What a beauty. Yes? We can say that. What a beauty. Yeah, progress building. Wow, what a progress building is. What is this, dear? Interrogative or exclamatory adjectives. Yes, what a building it is. Building is a noun. It's a gerund actually. It is a present participle, but we are using as a adjectives. Wow. What? Which? Who? Like that, so many examples we can use. Okay, my dear. What a pretty she was. Like that, we can use many examples as in exclamatory adjectives. Okay, my dear. Possessive adjectives also we will see. Okay, possessive adjectives. Yeah. Possessive. My pen. My pen. This is possessive. Okay, my dear, if you can see that, my pen. My is a possessive. Our is adjective. You is an adjective. His an adjective. Her is an adjective. It's an adjective. Their an adjective. And I said to you, these are all from pronouns also. But you have to remember, it indicates possession. Yeah. For example, I'll tell you that butterfly. Yes, here you can see that butterfly. Its pens are. Does it mean its company? Company name I am telling you. Butterfly. Its company pens are really superb. It writes well. It writes well. Butterfly company is. Its company pens are really nice. Its company. Does it mean whole company I am talking about? This is a mango tree. This is a mango tree. Its fruits are very sweet. Its fruits are very sweet. I'm talking about that branch. Its fruit. The tree's fruit I'm talking about. Its fruit. Yes? Yes, my dear. They are talking about me. Their conversation. Whose conversation is a noun? Their conversation hurts me. They are talking about me actually. Yes, conversation a noun. Their conversation is. Their conversation hurts me. Clear, my dear? So these are called possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective. And the final one is adjectives with the degrees of comparison. Whereas comparison, it can have three kind of comparison. We can see that. One is positive one. Another one is comparative. Yeah, you can see that. Positive, comparative, superlative. For example, if you can say the word super, small, smaller, smallest, long, longer, longest, tall, taller, tallest. Yes, hot, hotter, hottest. And not only these, many kinds of adjectives are there. Adjective also turn into three. That is called in degrees of comparison. We can have completely a lesson for completely a lesson degrees of comparison. We can have this session in the same lesson when we are going to through that. Okay, okay, my dears. I hope you have understood actually what is this exactly. Once we will remind that everything adjectives are followed by noun, and adjectives are describes about a noun or pronoun or another adjective. Adjectives qualifies or rectifies about a noun or pronoun or another adjective. And adjectives mainly discloses about three kinds. And these are about a state and statement and interrogative. And mainly we can see that. And mainly we can see in the two kinds we can see that attributive adjectives and predicative adjective we can see. And so many kinds are there. In numerical are three again. What is that? Exact number we can see, serial number we can see, and another one, what are the things of which we can followed by the order we can see. So these the three are very very important. If we can see that, yes, my dear, if you can see that kinds of adjectives, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, numerical, I said to you already, indefinite, cardinals, ordinals, and multiplicative. I said to you that. And numerical adjectives also. Numerical, indefinite, numerical, I said to you already, any, such, a few, a little, like that we can see many. And proper adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, present participle and past participle forms as a adjective, interrogative adjective, and exclamatory adjective, possessive adjectives, adjectives with degrees of comparison we have discussed it today. Yeah. and I'm preparing question papers, my dears. So I'm giving you in mail IDs so that prepare well for that. And before going to write exam, actually after completion of very immediate of your question paper, you have to present your view score. That will be considered as before an hour. Then after completion of an hour, if you can post there, that will be not considered. So before that day, I'll mention actually when your exam will be, an hour or 2 hours before ahead. I'll intimate you so that you can prepare well. Okay, my dear. Hope you can enjoy with the classes. Soon maths and science also will be joined. Okay, my dear. Thank you.